Hey, darling.
Hi.
Welcome on board.
Yeah?
Oh,
What's that?
what is it again? Blackpool?
Yeah. What a big boat.
We're just waiting for the captain,
Yeah.
Captain Sparrow.
Yeah.
Probably is
Then,
in the bar,
yeah.
topping up,
Yeah.
sipping some nice, good rum.
And where we want to go?
Catching up something here.
So, the boat tour is starting here. Baby, are you ready for the boat tour?
We are now on boat safari.
Yeah.
Enjoying the
Lake Malawi.
Lake
Yeah, I
Malawi,
show you
Mangochi.
guys our view also. This is the Sunbird.
It's
There is a bar. Here's the restaurant. And here are the bungalows where you're staying. People can go there for swimming. You see? It's not really the weather for going in the water, just a little bit, but not really. It's a nice weather, a little bit windy just. You want to say something? What are your last words? Hey! You're finished.
and that was it.
Yeah, what is that?
Just everybody's gonna remember that. You just say hey, and that was it. We never heard anything since then. Okay, sit down.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah? Here we are. Where we are, baby? On the Lake Malawi.
Mongochi.
Yeah. So beautiful, the boat tour.
Mangochi is really fantastic.
But it's a Sunbird Nkopola.
Nkopola Lodge.
Nkopola Lodge, yeah.
You have to look.
And the boat tour is there, exactly there, by Sunbird. Eh? You can have this for how much was it per person? 40,000, eh?
The boats is 40,000 kwacha.
Yeah, it's okay, eh? 1 hour to the president resident.
Yeah. 5 kilometers.
And here you see the view is beautiful, eh? And they have, of course, safe vests.
Sweetheart. Can I make some pictures with my phone?
Of course. The Malawian president's house.
Sweetheart. Hello.
Here the keys to me first. Let's do all the freaky things we say when we text. More than daring in your night.
From the former police general. Yeah.
Where is this resort? What is the name? Huh?
This used to belong to
What is the
police
name?
former general.
The name?
Inspector General.
Mandela?
Mulangeni.
Mlenge. Mlenge. Lodge. Ah,
That's that one.
that one. What is that?
The richest guy who owns the bus service.
This guy. Oh. Aber they're living who now?
When did he pass away again?
This is the president's house.
The president's house is this one.
This one?
This.
Ah,
With the brown or red top.
red roof, huh?
Yeah.
Here.
Where's my house? Can't find it.
What?
My house. Where is it?
Here, directly.
Yeah.
Zofuna satusi sambili.
Malawi chini.
Chimbula. What is the name of the village?
Tumbula village.
Tungula village.
Tumbuka village.
Tumbuka village. Baby, careful. It's going. Now we're turning.
Mandi malinga. Nyama kusaleke kusinga. You is a vegan, ego zika pinga. Me just never na de mi doka malinga. Fana wati no mandi pinga. Kundi yenda gati njoka moka pinga. Mjare munga mapota.
President's house. Malawian president's house. Cool. It's a really nice district area. But the water is going higher here, baby. Look, they had a beach before. No, not. Yeah, we are like that. We're just showing really what we're seeing and what we're talking. Just how is it? So pure nature.
You want to drink?
You guys, here are the fish farms on Lake Malawi. Where the nice butterfish is coming from, eh? Butterfish. Aber it's like that. Cool. Wow.
Are they still functional or they Dutch? Yeah? Honey, don't lose it. I'm going to take a picture with the musician who made this song. It's him, huh? You know what? Here, can you hold it?
This is
This is Sunbird Nkopola Leisure Center.
Nkopola Leisure Center.
what is it?
Sweden. The Sand and Arts Festival. Lucius Bank Festival.
Ah,
What is the name of here?
Nkopola Leisure Center. It's like in Sankope, they have like the campsite where they, yeah,
Campsite and waterfront, yes.
yeah.
Oh, nice. Very beautiful.
What a
Eba, joma tijika sambira pa joni ba.